Good morning once again. Yesterday in the evening, some people called me and asked me to listen to one Edozie. What is that his parents? Chika Edozie in Switzerland, who is the head of DOS, Directorate of State of IPOB. So I started listening to him. This young man started boasting and threatening that there will be final battle in Igbo land. And in that battle, that he is willing to lose his men. The video is still there. If anybody wants, go to the internet, you will see it. If he pulls it up, down, I will supply it. I saved it. There will be a final battle in Igbo land, and you are willing to lose some men. These men you are going to lose, are they not Igbos? Where are you? You are in Switzerland. Then there will be final battle in Igbo land. You are not done with the great amount of men we have lost. Great number of men we have lost. You are not done with the sit at home. You have crippled the entire Southeast. You are not done. Our children don't go to school again. You are the one that will say, sit at home. You are the one that will say, don't sit at home. When you say don't sit at home, from the back you send your men to go and kill people on the road. Another group will come from your so-called IPOB and start threatening our people and saying they are fighting against you. So I looked at this thing and asked myself, what is really happening? Which Biafra are these people now fighting for? These people are not fighting for any Biafra. If you are fighting for Biafra, you are saying that there will be final battle in Igbo land and that you are willing to lose our young men. For what? Battle against who? It's unbelievable. Which Biafra are you fighting for? The new Biafra started 1999. Recruited in Nnamdi Kanu as a radio broadcaster in London. Nnamdi Kanu left and started proclaiming violence and recruited all of you. Since then, you started with violence. For the past 10 or more years, you started with violence. Have you achieved Biafra? Then check the number of people in Ndigbo have lost. These people are not fighting for Biafra. Ndigbo hem na gunu gwa. Gunu mana. Ndi akwa ndi nwayo. The people that can kill Ndigbo and eat their flesh, are they your brothers? Are they your own? Onye ga-egbu gị were anụ gị hụọ n'ọkụ na-ata anụ gị. Ndigbo amaju unu onye ahụ hụrụ gị n'anya. Anụ ndị a ha na-ata anụ ndị ebe ọkwa anụ ndị Igbo, anụ ndị Biafra ọhụụ. Lee ndị eze be anyị ka esi na-egbu isi ha. Enweghịzi eze ọbụla na-anahụ na be ya. A ga-ekpọrọ eze be anyị kpọrọ ndị igwe na-eme ha akaja gbaa ha ọtọ were egbe na-atị ha n'ọnụ na-egbu ha were anụ ha na-ahụ n'ọkụ na-eri. Ndị Igbo o setukwa unu leba ihe ndị anya. otu a ka Bakassi ji bido na Bakassi na-achụ hand robbers, ha na-achụ ndị osi egbe. Oru Bakassi ekopụ bido gbuwe ndị Igbo. Esokwa m na ndị pụtara mgbe ahụ sị mba na Bakassi ka akarịkwala na ọkụ igwe ka m bi mgbe ahụ. Ama m ihe anyị lụkwara tutu Bakassi akwụsị. Ndị Igbo ose etukwana na aka enu. Ihe akwụkwọ ihe ga-ahapụrụ gọvanọ so. Ọkwa ihe ga-ahapụrụ ndị police. Ọkwa ihe ga-ahapụrụ ndị amị. Ihe ndị a na-aga on because ndị Igbo gbachiri nkịtị. Mana ose eteela o. There is no stopping. Because ihe nwatakịrị ha na-ekwu. Nobody, one chonchon, one son and any bearing. Because he has not lost anybody. Lending and Ebu. Mother on a family. I don't know on you here. I see a bony here in Olo. Bina, Switzerland. It's in an Igbo. And we have them, but they put Somalia. Na heme na Somalia ga game na Ala-Igbo ka karịkwa Somalia. M sọkwa unu si na Ala-Igbo heme na game na Ala-Igbo ga ha sọ mba nọ na Nigeria kwa ihe akwụghị mgbe a nọ na Nigeria ọ bụ na Somalia sọkwa Somalia ka ihe a ga-eme o pasọ ọkwa na Ala-Igbo ka unu na-akpọ Somalia ha sọ mba ọwụ Nigeria. Kedu ebe mpụ megeta ọkwa na Ala-Igbo ndị Igbo amajụ unu Nnamdi Kanu ejikere ebe eji ya Abuja abịa na Ala-Igbo na-eme sit at home na-egbuchi ndị mmadụ n'ebe ị nwere ihe ese n'ubu egbe unu nyere egbe ka ha na-egbu ndị mmadụ why unu adara etu ha ka ha gaa Abuja na DSS office ebe ha nọ ka kpọpụta ya ebe ahụ ọ bụ egbe na egbe ndị DSS bụ egbe unu nwa bụ egbe ndị unu zụtara ndị amị na ndị police unu bụ onye ga-kpọpụta ndị onye isi unu ke unu bịazi na-egbu ndị Igbo na South East. All our businesses are crumbling. Ụmụaka ya na-aga high school. Eputu sit at home on Monday. Asụ Tuesday so. Wednesday so. Echi Nnamdi Kanu na-aga court so. Ị na-anya ụmụaka na-aga school. Mgbe unu ga-anwa ihe unu mere onwe unu ndị Igbo in the years to come. Mgbe ọ ga-eru, ehụ na the number of children passed ịga anywhere. Enwe ebe na it's next to nothing. Unu amara ihe mere onwe unu. And in the years to come, if the economy of Ndigbo had dropped, well, many people afford to challenge their businesses in Ala-Igbo, people outside. Many of our big men are now who's in Ala-Igbo safe. Or bashi, be no way came on his work on. Bina no fesi. Bunda in Adiasi. One tackle, we will know wine. When you put on no order from overseas, close the market, make and deal with close the market. Organ in Emezi. Ndigbo organ in Emezi. And when you can work on na organ in Emezi, I got watching Kitty. Mbano. I am watching Kitty. Mbamu dike na mbaka muribe. But how would you dike? How would dike? Oman habu dike habata. Dike does challenge accepted. That challenge is accepted. Mana, you will hear from us. Ala-Igbo, I want where I be eba. Go on with Ala-Igbo, but can it be eba also? Never had where Mpurumbini, him we get men, Umaki, it will Mpurumbini, Nazi Batara. Has a chunk Purumbini, is shake up. In a mehem, his arm, Haneme, Macaragua Chinkete. Macaragua Chinkete. Igbo trader, Selebo, no. Igbo young boy, Selebo, no. Boys, so you're not sick. Organic caneme. Organic caneme. Can you hear me? I need butter and one of them. Oh, not you no more. So one no. Igbo traders only ready in a close eye every time. Come on, Garina school every time. Oh, them man, oh, quite Biafra. You might come make a Biafra. And when I make Biafra, that's in a land Nayamagadin. Namasa and a land Naya. You are not doing any Biafran thing. You say Igbo land will be in crisis. No school in Igbo land. No market in Igbo land. And you are doing Biafra. What type of Biafra are you doing? You kill our people. You eat their flesh. Ndigbo head auto, men and even doing Bakasi. Ndigbo, onye burugi, wala no gena ata. Oh, Anya, or Biafra, or Ozibone Biafra. And where Biafra how? We have to challenge this. We have to challenge it. We have to stop it. It's not the governor that will stop it for us. It's not the federal government that will stop it for us. We are the people that will stop it ourselves. The traders, come up now. Start holding your meetings. Start thinking of how to stop this Ala-Igbo. Because it has no ending. Since they were doing it at home, I kept quiet. At a point, when some of his men, called the autopilot, were challenging him, I came up to mediate. I said, please, your master is in detention. You people mellow down. Let him come out. Pray for him to come out. I know personally how many calls I made for Igbo leaders to speak for Nnamdi Kanu. I know what efforts I made. Even some people have acknowledged my efforts. Those I called, came out openly to say, Uwazuruike called us, told us to speak for Nnamdi Kanu. These people are not human beings. Because they are receiving money from outsiders to destabilize Ala-Igbo. What is our business? What's the business of a trader in Onitsha, or Nnewi, or Aba, with politics? How is Biafra agitation part of this? Part of closure of market, killing of people, eating their flesh, stopping children from going to school? How is it Biafran thing? If your guy is arrested and is in Abuja, you close the market in Abuja now, so that the authorities will have feel the impact. You do sit at home at Abuja, or you go to the DSS office and fight them and bring out your guy. Why must the Southeast bear the brunt? Ndigbo, these things are working because we kept quiet. We just kept quiet and relaxed. It has to come to an end. Nobody will stop it except ourselves. Everybody has to come up. Everybody has to come up. If you don't come up, this thing has no ending. The young man I had last night is not one that is talking about you, that's thinking about you. He has his family in Switzerland. He lives in Switzerland. And he's from Switzerland, Rigmarolin Igbo land. Is it acceptable? It is not acceptable. We can never accept it. You start now thinking about what I've told you. Start meeting. I mean, we have to save Igbo land. It's our duty. It's not the duty of Buhari or governors. When they say sit at home, everybody closes his house and stays at home. If you stay at home, will the governor come to your house and bring you out? We have to challenge this. We have to challenge this. Traders, wake up now. Igbo young men, wake up now. Think about what I have told you. If anybody is thinking in your welfare, can that person kill you, or kill your father, or kill your mother, and eat his flesh? Can that person stop you from doing your businesses? You don't consult anybody in what you are doing. You will sit in your one-room apartment in Switzerland. You tell us, no cow meat in Igbo land. Everybody will obey you. You go and kill some bush, some meat men or whatever, and those who sell meat, you kill them. Then they will run away, because you have to kill people now for people to stop. Then you say, no, children will be singing Biafran anthem. How does this bring about Biafra? No flag, Nigerian flag in Biafra land. This is the sign of somebody who has no mental stability. If you have mental stability, all these things have nothing to do with Biafra. You are just pursuing your agenda, personal agenda that has nothing to do with the realization of Biafra. But Ndigbo will not keep on watching some irrelevant people outside Nigeria to come and crumble, and this applies Ala-Igbo for us. We will not agree. We will not accept. Everybody has to put his hand on it. Everybody has to put his mind in it. We have to stop this. Thank you very much.